Are you looking for ways to earn money simply by posting text on the internet? The digital world offers numerous opportunities for writers and content creators. It's easier than ever to monetize your writing skills, whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out. The demand for text-based content is booming, creating viable income streams from articles, blog posts, social media updates, and more. We'll cover several proven methods, including freelance work, building niche blogs, utilizing social media, and selling digital products. Let's start with one of the most direct paths: freelance writing and copywriting. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are excellent starting points for finding clients looking for quality content. Don't forget professional networking on LinkedIn. Freelance work encompasses many forms, such as writing informative articles, engaging blog posts, or persuasive website copy designed to convert. Next up is blogging, a powerful way to build an audience and generate passive income over time. Success in blogging relies on choosing a profitable niche. Focus on a specific topic you're knowledgeable and passionate about to attract a dedicated readership. Monetize your blog through display ads, like Google AdSense, or integrate affiliate marketing by recommending relevant products and earning a commission. Social media platforms are not just for connecting, they are major income generators through micro-content. If you build an engaged following, you can earn money through sponsored text posts on platforms like X, formerly Twitter, or LinkedIn, promoting specific brands or products. Newsletters, especially on platforms like Substack, allow you to offer exclusive premium text content for a paid subscription, fostering a direct relationship with your audience. The next method involves creating and selling your own digital products based purely on text. Write and sell your own nonfiction ebooks or short guides. Choose topics where you can provide valuable knowledge or solve a common problem for your readers. Simple text assets like specialized templates, paid checklists, or swipe files can be highly profitable niche products for businesses and individuals. From freelancing to selling digital goods, posting text online opens up many avenues for earning an income. Remember, success requires consistent effort and maintaining high quality in your writing. The more value you provide, the more you will earn. Pick one of these methods, start creating content today, and consistently engage with your growing online audience to begin your journey to earning money by posting text.